Flashback fire from blockage of the Venturi. To ensure good performance, the burner and the Venturi assembly should be removed from the grill and cleaned before use whenever the grill has been idle for an extended period of time. Before you begin, be sure to turn off the gas valves and the tank valve and disconnect the propane tank. You never want any gas flowing while you're cleaning. Next, check your grill manual for tips on how to correctly remove the burners on your particular grill. Once the burners are off, you're ready to clean. Use a burner cleaning rod or a small diameter bottle brush to clean out any debris inside the burner tube. While you're at it, use a thin wire to clean out any clogged ports. When the ports get clogged, the propane can't flow to heat and cook your food. Then, reinstall the burners in accordance with your grill manual directions. Inside your grill, Venturi tubes or extensions of the burner tubes carry the fuel to your burners. Spiders or small insects have been known to create flashback problems by spinning webs, building nests, and laying eggs in these tubes. Obstructed gas flow builds up and can ignite behind the control panel, damaging your grill and potentially causing injury.
If you need other how-to info, products, or help, just visit those sections on Char-Broil.com.